This is the Daily Note from jamesabrown.net. In California, media literacy is now a required subject in K-12 schools. New York State is following their lead soon. And I can't think of a worse idea. As a journalist and career communications professional, I'm all for media literacy. But state-mandated media literacy is a different story. That idea is ripe for abuse. These concepts should be in the hands of parents or caring adults, or yourself as you grow up and learn through trial and error. Not dictates from politicians with their own agendas, no matter what party they come from. It's bad enough that our public schools are struggling teaching reading, writing, and arithmetic. How about we get the basics right before we add more to those plates? What do you think? Tell me your 2 cents. Email me at james@thedailynote.net. On that note, I'm James A. Brown, and as always, be well.